Hi there, students. To make a splash. Okay, this is to get noticed, to suddenly become successful, to attract a lot of attention. So this film has already made a splash in the United States, and I'm pretty sure it's going to make a splash here too. Okay, so it's attracting attention. It's a low budget film that's making a big splash worldwide. The video game was cancelled when it failed to make a splash. It wasn't popular. As a politician, he's made quite a splash with his outspoken views and his colourful clothes. This song is going to come out next week, and it's already made quite a splash in the United States. So this is where people notice something, that something becomes famous. So I wonder which players made a splash at during the World Cup. Which athletes made a splash during the Olympics? So that suddenly become very successful, to become very, very well known. I guess Albert Schwarzenegger made a splash in the Terminator films. He suddenly became famous. He was thrown to fame, to succeed, to thrive, to do really, really well. He's a young director making a splash in Hollywood. Normally, make a splash is something quite positive, but it doesn't have to be. I'm thinking the news of Oscar Wilde going to jail made a huge splash in London society at the end of the 19th century. Normally, to make a splash is positive. I get this idea is I get the idea of something that's splashed all over the newspapers. Or somebody jumps in a puddle and it splashes everywhere and everybody's covered it in it, and that's the idea. It's attracting a great deal of attention. The shop has already made a splash in London, and they are going to open other branches in other European capitals. So it's to do something big, to get results, to get everyone's attention. Very often people use hype in advertising to make a splash. If you make a splash, you become noticed, you become popular because of something that you've done. He made a splash on British TV and became a British star. So this is doing something that gets a lot of attention. It's talking about a person or event that suddenly makes a major impact, that gets a lot of attention. It's like jumping into the water and then everybody round the water gets splashed by it. So they make to make a splash. So he has made a splash. He's attracted a lot of attention. The news of the scandal made a huge splash. I wonder who's going to be the next sports personality to make a splash. She made a splash in a top American series. So to make a splash, to attract great attention, normally by doing something rather show-offy, rather ostentatious. You've got a lot of attention, and it makes you look successful. She made a splash at the party with her colourful clothes and her outrageous views. It's making an impression, getting noticed, turning heads. Parents like to make a splash when their daughters get married. If you want to make a splash in this town, you're going to have to use a multi-million pound advertising campaign. Okay, he loves to make a splash. Okay, so yeah, all young actors are always trying to make a splash. Formality. 3.5. I'm going to say 4 in formality. Use informally. I think informally is best. Semi-formal conversation, yes. Semi-formal writing, just and no more. So, to make a splash, I hope this video makes a splash. Bye for now.